everybody. How are you doing? Great, 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 great. Uh, just to keep you up to date, so we are going live. So I'm going on with support with the cohort on the Career Accelerator workshop. So the Career Accelerator workshop is kicking off by the grace of God. You've seen a lot of adverts on my LinkedIn profile and also on all social media platforms, if you like, use all social media platforms. And so finally, I'm going live on for the career support. So if you missed this cohort, not to worry, you can join the next cohort. You can join the next cohort of helping you to shoot up, to accelerate your career. So going live, and it will be a great time. I'm excited to see these people transitioning in their career, getting higher and achieving their desires. Okay, so just to give you an heads up of what's happening. So enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye.